Operation Safe Driver Week is in full force in mid-Michigan. The goal is to enforce truck laws to keep drivers and commercial vehicles safe on the roads. This comes as the latest traffic death numbers have just been released by Michigan's Office of Highway Safety Planning. Our
Alyssa Irwin joining us now. And Alyssa, you witnessed a checkpoint station firsthand.
Matt and Angie, yes, that is correct. And there's a lot that goes into motor carrying officers inspecting each vehicle that drives through the checkpoint as they try to help fix issues before the real problems on the road. Signs ahead of the I-75 northbound rest area clue truck drivers to pull into the stop.
We'll look for violations as the trucks pass by, and sometimes they'll see something that they want to take a closer look at, and so they might have them pull over.
The steps then include officers checking tires and air pressure and making sure all signals on the commercial vehicle are working. Examining weight distribution is also key.
A truck is too heavy, it can cause damage to the roadway. It also changes the dynamics of speeding up and slowing down.
Lieutenant Vetter says MSP's motor carrier officers are trained to stay keen on regulations to help reduce problems before they happen. Once the exam is complete, the driver is on their way back to the road.
We all depend on safe drivers to transport our goods from A to B. And so it's really important that the commercial drivers are following the laws to keep all of us safe.
This operation is also an opportunity to educate drivers about dangers and challenges they may encounter on roadways, such as distracted driving. This comes as the Michigan Office of Highway Safety Planning released the crash data for 2023. It shows the number of overall traffic crashes and deaths on Michigan roads fell slightly in the last year to 29,000 crashes and 1,100 deaths, but pedestrian and bike-related crashes increased.
We've seen a decrease. We need to make more significant improvement in our driving behaviors. Each one of us have control of what's happening in the vehicle.
Bauer said to continue to reduce crashes on roads, we need to change the culture of traffic safety, including not being distracted and staying prepared, which is why Operation Safe Driver and other initiatives from MSP continue their enforcement. Commercial vehicle drivers around the country will see different checkpoints and be required to stop throughout the week, but rest stops are still open for drivers to use. Here in the studio, Alyssa Irwin with ABC 12 News.